The story of embezzlement and corruption in the Russian army is heating up, and it's only a matter of time before the old new Russian president arrests Defense Minister Shoigu. The well-informed source of the influential telegram channel Osechkin in Russia's defense ministry is saying that large-scale embezzlement in the 12th Chief Directorate of the Ministry of Defense, responsible for strategic missile forces, will be uncovered during the nuclear exercises, and this will be the last straw. On the ground, many are tired of Shoigu team's whims, and the mood in the ranks is to quietly sabotage any dispatches and orders. Don't expect revolutions, but no one is going to take a stand for those who haven't even served a day in the army, like Shoigu and his deputies. A contingent of generals and colonels are preparing reports directly for the Commander-in-Chief, Putin, bypassing the civil servants from the Ministry of Defense HQ, where are Shoigu and his deputies, to further expose Salikov and Ivanov's schemes with their contractors and shell companies. The mood in the military counterintelligence after your recent videos is not festive either. Many are shocked by them and the loss of control over state secrets. Now many at the ministry are wondering who is behind these leaks and what the ultimate goal is, but in their hearts, they rejoice at the very possibility of change. Shoigu and his deputies are estimated to have stolen $176 billion from the ministry budget since 2012 when he became defense minister. That's equivalent to about 30,000 T-90 tanks. Videos of Russian turtle tanks during assaults on Chasiv Yar and Krasnohorovka. The Ukrainian source for the first video said these improvised tanks are effective because they had to expend many FPVs on one tank. In both videos, only one Russian vehicle survived at the end. Russian equipment and fortifications both hit with FPVs and cluster munition in the eastern direction. For several weeks, Russians have been using assault tactics of infantry on motorcycles. The idea behind this is that infantry on a motorcycle must quickly reach a position that needs to be taken and held, counting on the fact that one infantryman on a motorcycle would be too small, fast, and maneuverable target for Ukrainian forces to hit. Video of the 79th Brigade of Ukraine with the destruction of such Russian motorcycle units. Novo-Mikhailivka Front. Chasiv Yar. The aggressor, Russia, has been razing cities to the ground in Ukraine for more than 2 years now. Everyone who justifies Russian aggression should see this. Everyone who calls on Ukraine to surrender to this evil should see this. Everyone who speaks against arming Ukraine should see this. Everyone who is against the collapse of Russia should see this. Russia needs to collapse, and Russia will collapse. Arm Ukraine now to defeat Russia sooner rather than later. Arm Ukraine now. Russia started this war in 2014 with the illegal occupation of Crimea. There is no folding it back into a matching box. The war is here. Belarus will also hold nuclear drills in parallel with Russia, said the State Secretary of the Security Council of Belarus, Alexander Volfovich. He said that Minsk will conduct an army test involving means capable of using tactical nuclear munitions, and that this test will be synchronized with Russia. A sudden inspection of non-strategic nuclear weapons carriers has already been launched by order of Alexander Lukashenko, reports Belarus Defense Ministry. A squadron of Su-25 attack aircraft, Iskander-M, and Polonez-M missile systems are involved. The plan is to check the entire range of activities from planning, preparation, and use of strikes with tactical nuclear munitions, right down to the loading of special munitions on aircraft. Aviation was moved to an alternate airfield. According to the Belarusian Hayun monitoring project, at least 2 Su-25 attack aircraft flew today from the Lida Air Base to the Machulishchi Air Base. It is planned to withdraw units armed with Iskander-M and Polonez-M systems to position areas. There is speculation that the exercises will take place at the Osipovichi and Neyman military ranges.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.